start with our main function. This is the array baptism for our binary search demo. There are 4 records in our array. They are Ang Ah Beng, baptized in 69, Ian Chai, baptized in 89, J.D. White, baptized in 67, and Koo Kai Lee, baptized in 92. We now declare result as an integer variable and query as a character string. Suppose the user now types Ian Chai for the name to search. This is stored in query. Now we call bin search, which requires as input the index of the first and one after the last element of the array. Key points to the same place as query. Start gets 0, end gets dir size, which is 4. And dir points to the same place as baptism. Mid is equal to 0 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So, we compare the name Ian Chai with the data in location mid, which is 2, and find that J.D. White is not the same as Ian Chai. The result shows that we should look in the first half. This means that in the new bin search, we have the same start, but the new end is mid. This means start gets 0, end gets 2. The new key and dir have the same values as in the first bin search. Mid is equal to 0 plus 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So we compare the name Ian Chai with the data in the location of mid, which is 1, and find that Ian Chai is the same as Ian Chai. The second bin search returns mid, which is 1, to the first bin search. The first bin search returns that 1, and that 1 is put into result. The result is not minus 1. Therefore, we print Ian Chai's grade is 22. Suppose the user now types Kong for the name to search. This is stored in query. So, we call bin search again in the same manner. Mid is equals to 0 plus 4 and divided by 2, which is 2. So we compare the name Kong with the data in location mid, that is 2, and find that J.D. White is not the same as Kong. The result indicates that we should search the second half. This means that the new start is going to be mid, and the new end is the same as the old end. That is to say, start gets 2 and end gets 4. In the second bin search, the new key and dir have the same values as in the first bin search. Mid is equals to 2 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 3. So we compare the name Kong with the data in location mid, which is 3, and find that Koo Kai Lee is not the same as Kong. The result indicates that we should search the first half. This means that we pass the same start but a new end, the new end being mid. The start gets 2 and the end gets 3. Key and dir once again stays exactly the same. This means, however, that the new start, which is 2, after adding 1 is equals to 3, which is equal to the value of the new end. Therefore, the third bin search returns -1 to the second bin search. The second bin search returns that -1 to the first bin search. And the first bin search returns that -1 to the main, which puts it into result. The result is -1. Therefore, we print not found.